Hey guys, MoneyMarrowTech back with another tech review. Today we'll be going over the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2. Okay, I picked it up at Amazon for 25 bucks. They also have a 4-pack on there on Amazon for $68. So versus paying for one for $25, you can pick up four for 68 bucks, which is better savings in my opinion. But we're going to start the review and let you guys know what I think about it. So, all right, first thing you got in the box, got your manual how to just take out the battery. So I'll show you that here in a minute and stuff. How to change the battery out when it's completely dead. And that's all for that. In the box, you have the tag itself, and you have a SIM tray pin that you use for your smartphones to get the SIM tray out when you need to, for instance, take your SIM tray. But Samsung uses the product as well to take out your battery here. So right here down below is your hole. See right there. Use this pin to change the battery out if you need to. So Samsung said that this is supposed to last up to 500 days on the battery and 700 days if you put it in power saving mode. Okay, so there it is. Just took the battery out. Right here, this is using a CR2032 battery. It goes in here like so. Okay, put it back in. Let that go off. As you hear it beep, now Samsung products, it should automatically pop up on my phone, but we're going to go ahead and unlock it, and we're going to go to Smart Things. So here's Smart Things. Go click on Smart Things. Right here, we're going to go to plus sign. We're going to go to Add Devices, Samsung. We're going to scroll down. We're going to go to Tags and Tracker. Go to Without QR code. You should be looking for it, searching, and there it is. Galaxy SmartTag 2. Let's go ahead and click on it. Go ahead and agree. Okay, connecting to your tag. Push down the button. So you can push it right here in the middle. So this is the physical button. We'll get more into that in a minute. To verify that if you connect to your device, it beep and let you know it's yours and successful. Easy setup. So more on a Smart Thing app. We're going to go to here. It'll show you all your keys in here. So we're going to go to the Smart Tag, which is the newest one I just added. And here, this is the menu for the specific tag. Now, each tag you can change and customize it to your liking and stuff. For example, if you want this specific tag to ring louder, you can. If you wanted to lower the volume down, you can. Also, if you want to change the ringtones or the tone of the device, you can. So here would be the sound for this sound. A different option on here. I like that one better, so I'll push apply and actually test it, make sure it actually works for my likings. I'll go back to here, change the volume high, and push play, and it should play that same tone as good I'm selecting. Okay. Another cool feature that I like the most is right here. Find my phone or tablet. You click on this bad boy right here. It turns it on. You have an option between your phone and your tablet. You have other Samsung products. You can do that as well and stuff. So right here, I turn on for this on my phone. On this tracker, I have a built-in button. So you can click it once, did nothing. But if I click it twice, it will send a notification to my phone saying your tag is trying to find your phone. So not only can you use your phone to find your tag, but you can use your tag to find your phone, which I thought was the best feature you ever get. I mean, that's the Apple tag. don't have that, don't have physical buttons. So that's very, very handy, very useful, very clutch. Turn this part on. As soon as you walk away from it, more than 10 feet away from it, it will notify you, let you know that, hey, you forgot something. You must have left your keys. So wherever you name it, whether it be your backpack, your suitcase, your purse, etc. As soon as you walk away from it, it will notify you as well. Right down here, you can share this tag, this tag location as well. So if you have a significant other that has a Samsung product or relative, you turn this on and they be able to see your tag as well. So they will be able to see it live, just like you would do with your phones. You can share your location of that product. So if I left this here, my wife will see it as well. She will see my keys left at the park, and I'm already at work, and then she'll be able to go find herself, do the same thing I'm doing here, as in call it, do a search nearby, etc. This also lets you know about the battery life, lets you know how much battery you have right now, fully charged, fully greened up. So, and use the camera, give you turn by turn. So right now, if you see me moving around, let you know how strong the signals is, and it lets you know by how feet you are. If you click the camera button, it'll actually give you an arrow or where it's working at, and then it'll give you a general idea where it's walking at. So if I turn around, it'll let you go back the other way. I'll look this way, it lets you know it's behind, back to the right. So as soon as I start walking forward, it lets you know and give you a general idea where it's at. Also, you can read it as well. And there you are. So overall, like I said, guys, I love this product. I've been using it for, like I said, for months. Definitely is handy. Definitely if you misplace your keys a lot, or your kids get a hold of it, or you need to put on your kids' suitcase, backpacks, purse, and stuff. Definitely will allow you to find it. It also lets you know the location history up to 7 days of where this tag had been at. So if you need to, backtrack where you've been at, it'll let you know as well how to do that. My best feature I like about this here is, not only can I use my phone to find my keys, but to use my tag to find my phone is my best feature I love about this phone. So overall, good product. Like I said, pick it up from Amazon for 25 bucks. I'll leave the link for this one and the 4-pack down below in the description. And you guys, appreciate you guys coming to my video. Like and subscribe and comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.